Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video CV. My name is Muhammad Golam Sharwar. I am 27 years old. I complete my HSC from Government Tolaram College. I have good working experience 5 years and 7 months as accounts officer, graphic designer, executive officer, computer operator in 5 companies. I am expert operating Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and computer other tasks. My typing speed is Bangla 32 words per minute and English 37 words per minute average. I have good work experience Windows 7, 10, 11. I have good working experience as online graphic designer. I can photo edit, image illustration, and logo design. I am quick learner, respectful, sincere. I like to read and watch daily news and movies. I am quick hard worker, able to work under pressure, able to work as a team member. I am organized and detail-oriented person. I am very friendly. I am looking for accounts officer, graphic designer, executive officer, or computer operator position to your company because I truly believe that I can bring a real and positive impact to your organization with my skills and experience. If you like my video CV, please contact me in my Gmail GOLANSOROWAR4@gmail.com. Thanks for watching my video CV and for your time.